What's inside here is really pissing me off. Not only does it piss me off, but it's embarrassing. But before I show you what's in there, go hit that subscribe button, follow along my channel, like this video, and by the end, let me know in the comments what you think of the results. All right, let's take a look at what's in here. This is the problem we're going to solve in this video. Look at this fire hazard with all those cables and batteries. I don't even know which one's plugged in, so let's fix this problem. This really shouldn't be that hard. There's a short list of requirements you need when working with batteries. Ventilation is one of them. I want a good layout. I want the charging station to be easily accessible. Space-wise, it has to fit in this top section here. I want it compatible with every brand of tool that I have. Cord management. Let's get rid of all these loose cords in here. Let's get started and I'll show you the steps. First thing we got to do is take some measurements on my version of an iPad, pencil and paper. Now that the measurements are all done, we're going to be using this 1/2-inch plywood to build the station. I'm just using this super easy rip cut from Craig Jig with this little mini circular saw. I've already cut one way 22 inches. I'm going to cut the other way. And then that's basically the top of the charging station. And if my measurements are correct, then this should be the perfect size. I'm going to make 3-inch risers because that's how much I want it to slant. I drilled 4 pocket holes on each side using this Rebel from Craig. Love this tool, makes pocket holes even easier than they were before. But what I'll do is I'll use a nail gun just to lightly assemble it, and then I'll reinforce it with those pocket screws. If you're wondering what the tape is for, it's just to prevent tear out, especially when using a spade bit and drilling through plywood. Picked up a couple of power bars so I can start thinking of that cable management. Also some multi-purpose Velcro straps so I can clean them all up nice and tight underneath where I'm going to hide all the cables. Keep in mind a little tip here. On the back of all of these chargers, every single brand, doesn't matter which one, it'll tell you exactly how far apart these two holes are. Once the layout was all set, drilling the holes was no problem, and mounting these, you just have to make sure that you drill accurately, because when it's screw holes like that, even a couple millimeters off and the charger just won't slide over them. I told you it was a lot of sanding, especially the cables. You don't want them running up against rough wood constantly. That'll deteriorate the wires over time. And that's it. That's the charging station. So let me know in the comments what you think of that. I love it. It cleans it all up nice. I ended up leaving my batteries in here. Very easy access. And then there's a nice area here for putting batteries that need charging after a day on the job site or a day of using tools. But anyways, thanks so much for following along, guys. Follow my channel for more videos like this, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Ciao.